And here we have another variegated rose. It is called Sparkling Graffiti, and it is a dark red, almost purple on white, and then the borders might get pink, and it is rather small size, just like Little Artist or Cherry Eye, as seen here next to Cherry Eye. And here it is next to Little Artist. So they make a nice combination if you plant them together. And it was created by INTERPLANT from Netherlands as a florist rose, and it comes as a spray, so you will have many flowers from one stem. Truly cute. Now it became a little more pink at the tip of the petals. And really cute, does not have any disease, no powdery mildew, although it got a little bit spider mites. When this plant will become more adult and it will have many flowers, it will be so very beautiful to have a spray like the really many flowers from one stem.